Today I'm replacing my brake rotors on my truck because they're in really bad shape. So we have started, got the tires off, got the old rotor off, and I'll show you why I'm replacing them. Okay, this is the old one. You can see, if you can, it's starting to get spots all in it, and anyway, it's really old. So we're upgrading to drilled and slotted. So that'll help keep her cool just a little bit. See, I already got everything off, got my tools laying everywhere, got the bracket off that holds everything on. And let me put that on, we'll get to the other side. Okay, as you can see, I got the new rotor on. The bracket's back on, it holds the brake shoes. And the caliper, I got the pistons compressed. That little tool. So now, I gotta put the caliper back on and jack her back up a little bit and put the tire on, lug nuts, and well, we got the driver's side done completely. Tire back on, tightened up the lug nuts, everything's fine. And the passenger side shouldn't be as bad because I replaced the caliper not too long ago. So, and I'm going to show you the rotor on that side and what happens when your caliper locks up. Okay, here's the one on the passenger side, the rotor that's causing me so much trouble. See how thick this side is? The inside of it, look there. As an accident waiting to happen. See how much it wore down? That's what happens when a rotor, a caliper rather, goes out on you. That side looks okay. That side's toast. Try pulling the fifth wheel with nothing but that. It's not going to last long, especially if you go down a mountain. So we're going to replace it with a brand new drilled and slotted rotor for my F250. And this is the one that come off the driver's side. See, it's okay, but it's time for it to be replaced. Okay, there we go. There's the passenger side drilled and slotted rotors. New brakes all the way around the truck now. Alright, let's put the tire on and tighten it up and call it a day. Driving the truck and getting the brakes seated and make sure everything's working fine and wheels don't fall off after I've tightened everything up. But alright, that's going to wrap it up. We are here, so let's go in and get something to drink. It's a little bit on the warm side. It's like 82 out here. That's hot. I'll show you, this is what I use to replace the rotors, the brakes on the back of the truck. 9/16, 13/16, and 18mm screwdriver. This to compress the calipers, and of course my trusty jack. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, use common sense. Until next time, peace.